Welcome to Aon Product Picks, your home for the latest tech reviews, drone gear, and cutting-edge innovation in the skies. In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 high-performance drones in 2025, the best of the best when it comes to speed, stability, camera quality, and advanced flight features. Whether you're a pro filmmaker, drone racer, or tech enthusiast, these drones offer next-level performance with AI-powered controls, Ultra HD recording, and incredible range. Gear will cover specs, pros and cons, flight time, and what makes each of these drones stand out in a rapidly growing market. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's take off with the top high-performance drones of 2025. Number 5, DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is an impressively compact and travel-friendly drone that stands out in the entry-level market. Weighing just 248 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration in many countries and folds down to a highly portable size, perfect for creators on the go. Despite its light frame, it captures stunning 4K HDR video at 30 frames per second and crisp 12MP RAW photos, thanks to its large f/1.7 aperture lens, which also performs well in low-light conditions. Features like vertical shooting for social content, DJI's intuitive Fly app, and quick shots modes make it an ideal companion for vloggers, hobbyists, and content creators looking for a user-friendly flying camera. Performance-wise, the Mini 3 delivers excellent flight time, up to 38 minutes with the standard battery and up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, while remaining stable in moderate wind conditions. The build quality is solid for its class, and the drone handles everyday outdoor conditions with ease. However, it does lack obstacle avoidance and subject tracking, which means pilots will need to be more cautious, especially in tighter or more dynamic environments. Still, for its price and portability, the DJI Mini 3 offers one of the best value propositions for those wanting high-quality aerial footage without stepping into the professional drone tier. Number 4, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro stands out as a top-tier drone designed for professional aerial creators, thanks to its groundbreaking triple-camera system. It features a 4/3 Hasselblad sensor for stunning 20MP stills and up to 5.1K video at 50 frames per second, offering exceptional clarity and dynamic range. Complementing this are a 70mm medium telephoto lens capable of 4K per 60 frames per second with 48MP stills, and a 166mm long-range lens with 7x optical zoom, ideal for capturing far-off subjects without compromising detail. These cameras are mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth footage in any shooting condition. With a max flight time of up to 43 minutes, advanced obstacle sensing, OPUS 5.0, and OcuSync 3 Plus transmission that delivers stable video up to 15 kilometers away, the Mavic 3 Pro is both powerful and precise in the air. However, its premium capabilities come at a high cost. The Mavic 3 Pro starts around $2,199, with the Cine version reaching nearly $4,800, making it a serious investment for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its weight, 958 g, also places it in a more regulated drone category in many regions. While flight time is advertised at 43 minutes, many users report real-world usage closer to 25 to 30 minutes, especially when shooting high-resolution video. Additionally, the Cine model's 1TB internal SSD, while ideal for ProRes recording, isn't easily removable, which may slow down workflows. Despite these trade-offs, the Mavic 3 Pro remains a top contender for filmmakers and photographers seeking ultimate creative control in a portable all-in-one aerial platform. Number 3, DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a standout in DJI's mid-range lineup, bringing a powerful dual-camera system to the skies. Equipped with both a 24mm wide-angle and a 70mm medium telephoto lens, each driven by a 1/1348MP CMOS sensor, the Air 3 delivers stunning 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video and crisp photos with excellent dynamic range. The addition of the telephoto lens adds creative flexibility, allowing for cinematic depth and tighter framing options typically reserved for DJI's higher-end drones. With up to 46 minutes of flight time and DJI's new O4 transmission system offering up to 20 kilometers range, this drone is both a travel-friendly and professional-grade tool for content creators. On the safety side, the Air 3 offers full omnidirectional obstacle sensing with DJI's OPUS 5.0, providing smooth, secure automated flights with features like Active Track. It also includes a suite of intelligent flight modes such as hyperlapse, master shots, and vertical 2.7K shooting, making it easy for even beginners to capture cinematic results. While it doesn't support 5.7K recording and the effective photo resolution is closer to 12 MP due to quad-Bayer processing, it still delivers more than enough quality for most digital use. For its combination of features, performance and price, the DJI Air 3 is one of the most well-rounded drones in its class. Number 2, DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is an impressive and beginner-friendly camera drone that stands out with its innovative foldable design and excellent imaging capabilities. Weighing just under 249 grams, it's lightweight, compact, and fully compliant with drone regulations in most regions. The built-in propeller guards make it safer for indoor flying, especially for new users. Its 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor delivers sharp 48 MP stills and smooth 4K per 60 frames per second video, stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal, earning praise from reviewers for its performance at a competitive price point. Features like quick shots, drone, circle, rocket, focus track, hyperlapse, and up to 31 minutes of flight time make it a great option for vloggers and casual content creators. However, the DJI Flip isn't without its limitations. It features only forward-facing obstacle sensors, which limits its ability to avoid obstacles in all directions, something more experienced pilots may find restrictive. In windy conditions, its lightweight frame can affect flight stability, and it lacks FPV support and vertical-specific controls found in higher-end models. Additionally, users have pointed out minor usability concerns, such as the awkward placement of the palm launch button and the absence of a controller-free purchase option. Despite these drawbacks, the DJI Flip remains an excellent choice for beginners or those seeking a compact, fun and capable drone for everyday aerial photography and videography. Number 1, DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a powerful, compact drone that packs professional-grade features into a lightweight body under 250 g, making it exempt from FAA registration in many regions. It boasts a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 48 MP photos and 4K per 60 frames per second HDR videos, with support for 10-bit D-Log-M and 4K per 100 frames per second slow motion. The drone excels in low-light conditions, includes vertical shooting for social media content, and features an LED landing light for better visibility. With DJI's O4 transmission, you get a reliable 20 km HD feed to the RC2 controller, and its omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures a safer, more confident flight experience with smart AI modes like Active Track 360 degrees and Touch Trace. In real-world use, the Mini 4 Pro delivers an impressive flight time of 25 to 34 minutes, or up to 45 minutes with the optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. It handles windy conditions well and flies at a steady top speed of around 35 miles per hour. Despite its compact size, the build feels solid, with folding arms and a gimbal that protects the camera during transport. From casual travelers to serious content creators, this drone strikes a rare balance between portability, performance and intelligent features, making it arguably the best sub-250 g drone on the market today. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.